Hi everyone, Tridib here from TGT and welcome to another watchOS update video. Yesterday Apple released watchOS 7.6.1 to the public. This update came just days after the public release of watchOS 7.6 and contains some major security updates. Along with that, a few days ago, Apple also released iOS 14.7.1, iPadOS 14.7.1 and macOS Big Sur 11.5.1 as well. I have made separate videos for that. This is available for all the watchOS 7 supported Apple Watches. So if you have an Apple Watch Series 3 to all the way up to the Apple Watch Series 6, this update is available for you now. You have to be on iOS 14.7.1 or iOS 15 beta to use this watchOS update. To find the update, make sure your Apple Watch is connected to your iPhone, then open the Watch app. Go to General, then Software Update, and your update should be available here. This update came in around 64.6 MB in this Apple Watch Series 5 and it is an additional update to watchOS 7.6. Now let's check the new build number. Go to Settings, then go to General, then About, and here you can see the version is 7.6.1 and the build number is 18U70. As this is an additional update, so it doesn't come along with any new features, at least not what I am aware of, but it comes with some major bug fixes and security updates. For the bug fixes, Apple might have done the same what they did with the iOS 14.7.1, and that was a fix for the Touch ID enabled iPhones where the unlock with iPhone option was not working properly. Apple also patched that for the Face ID enabled iPhones as well. So if you go to the Apple Watch app and then go to passcode, you will see the option here and it was not working properly. Now with iOS 14.7.1 and watchOS 7.6.1, this should work properly. Now for the security update, if you go to the Apple support website, as you can see here, it says about an impact where an application may be able to execute arbitrary code with kernel privilege. Apple is aware of a report that this issue may have been actively exploited. And the description says a memory corruption issue was addressed with improved memory handling. So basically Apple is fixing the same IOMobileFrameBuffer error which they fixed in the corresponding iOS and macOS updates as well. So this should be something major. Apart from that, there is nothing specific in it, but of course Apple might have done some additional bug fixes and security fixes as well, which they never mention about. Performance wise, this is running absolutely fine in this Series 5 Apple Watch. I am using this for more than 1.5 years now and it is still running nice and smooth, just like new. The app performance is also fine. The battery life is almost normal after this update. Battery health of this watch is 88% and it works just fine. So if you have an Apple Watch Series 3 or newer, you should definitely update to watchOS 7.6.1. This update is stable and comes with some major security fixes. At this time of the year, we should not expect any more features for watchOS 7 anymore, with lots more coming with watchOS 8 in September. That's it. Thank you for watching. In the comment section below, do write should I make more watchOS videos in future. Do like, share and don't forget to subscribe to TGT. I'll see you in my next one. Peace.